software. So first we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode, and here you type command limits. So here you take specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, and then zoom all. Now we go for the line command. Draw a line from the lower left corner, select on the position and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side and take some distance, and again click on the first button of the mouse, and then again you take the cursor into the top side, take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse, and then go to enter, then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this line, vertical line, and offset to the left side, and again offset, take the distance as 210 and select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extends, then go to zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet, select between these two, and you select between these two lines, horizontal and vertical, select between these two so that you are going to get the A4 size sheet. Then go to zoom window, select the area you want to write, go to the text, specify start point, select some point at the top left corner and click on first button of the mouse and specify height. You take 4, the rotation angle is 0, type the 117th problem. So here a rectangular lamina of sides 20 mm by 25 mm has an edge in HP and adjoining edge in VP is tilted such that the front view appears as a rectangle of 20 mm by 15 mm. The edge which is in VP is 30 mm to the right profile plane. A. Draw the top view, front view and left profile view in this position. B. Find its inclination with the corresponding principal plane. So now we go for zoom window, take this, so go to layer, so click on new, take the new layer as XY, and similarly click on new and write it as views. So go to layer 0, take the line weight and set it to 0.05 and say OK. Similarly layer XY, under line weight, take 0.13 and say OK, and layer views, under line weight, click on 0.5 and say OK, and then say close. Now we go for a rectangular lamina. First we're going to draw a line of some distance in the horizontal direction and also in the vertical direction, and go to offset, take the distance as 25, you select this and offset by 25 mm, and again you take 20 mm, you select this offset and then go to offset to the top side, then go to fillet F, select between these two and select between these two and select between these two, and now we want the line to be from here on this direction and also on this direction, and then go take some distance away from the vertical plane, then go to fillet, then go to line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this, similarly line INT on this and perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two and between these two, then select this line and you take this by selecting the window and go to ch command and go to layer, click on views and switch on the layer line weight display mode, which is 0.5. Then go to take some distance from here, line int, and draw a horizontal line, or take some distance from here, line nearest on this line, and take perpendicular to this, and then go to offset, take the distance as 15, and then go to break, select this line, front view of intersection of this, and at the rate break first point int of this, and at the rate break first point int of this, at the rate break first point int of this, and at the rate. Now from here you draw a line of some distance, and since this distance is 25, so you go to circle, take int of this, measure the distance from here to here, therefore go to DDIM, go to modify, go to primary units, here you make it 0, so precision is make it 0, then go to text, so take this as 4, align with the dimension line, centered is above, take this dimension as 3, go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close. Then go to dim horizontal, select this line and take this dimension, which is 25, and go to circle, take measure the from here to here, then take intersection part of this and take the radius as 25, then go to break between these two and break between these two, then go to erase, and then go to line, take intersection part of these two and int of these two, then go to fillet between these two. Now we have this, so now we go for select this 4 and also this line, and go to layer, click on views. Now once you get this, so from here you take a line of from here line, take int of this, and you draw a vertical line and go to offset, take the distance as 30, so from here you offset that distance and just then go to, then draw a line here, then go to extend, select this as the boundary and you select this as the object to extend, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, then go to line, take intersection of this at the rate 200 less than minus 45, so that this line will crosses this, then go to line, take int of this and perpendicular to this, then go to zoom previous, then go to extend this line till to the boundary, then go to fillet between these two, then go to break, select this and take trace, then go to fillet between these two lines and then go to break. So here you just click on this, take the first point, take int of this and at the rate, then go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, similarly break first point int of this and at the rate, then break first point int of this and at the rate, then similarly you break this point till here, then go to erase, then go to break from here and similarly break from here, then similarly you just go to select this line and select this line and this and take this and also this, so here go to layer and make that layer as XY layer. Similarly you just click on this, then go to break, then go to, this is the XY line, so you break this line till here int of this and at the rate, select this, then go to break, select this line first point int of this and say at the rate, then select this line and this line, so this will going to be the layer wherein you call this as views. Then now once you get this, now we go for the dimension, you go to dim horizontal, select this line and take this as 25 mm and similarly dim vertical, select this and you take this dimension as 20. Then again dim horizontal, dim horizontal, you select this line and take 15 mm, and then dim in horizontal, take intersection of this and the end point of this, you take this dimension as 30, and dim angular, you select this line and you select this line, it will be 45 degrees. Then go to DDIM and here go to modify and go to primary units, angular takes 2 decimal point, then go to dim angular, select between these two will going to be 53.13. Go to text, give space and you place it wherever you want. Then go to M text. So here you take the boundary as the box, then go to symbol, select on this. So here you just type 5F, then say OK, then go to move, select this, switch off the ortho mode and then go to DDIM and then come down to modify, then primary units you make it 0 and say OK and say close. Now we will go for the text. So go to the text, here you type X, here you type Y, here you type X1, here you type Y1, then you type VP, here it is HP, here it is RPP, then here you switch off the caps lock, A dash, and this is B dash, and this is C dash, and this is D dash, and here A, B, B, and this is C, and C, and here it is D, and enter. Then go to move, go to X, and similarly you take A dash and move it appropriately, then B dash, then C dash, and D dash. Similarly here A, here it is D, here it is B, here it is C, then move VP, to take move somewhere here, and then HP, then move here, you take this outside, take this RPP, then go to copy, select A dash, copy this here, similarly B dash, copy this here, similarly C dash, copy this here, similarly copy, select objects, you select this, specify base point, select some point and move it to the next position where you want to place it. Similarly you take BC, B, comma C here, similarly A, comma D, A here, and this will be D. Then here we want D text, here it is P double dash, here it is A double dash, here it is D double dash, here it is C double dash. Then go to move, select A double dash, here it is D double dash, here it is C double dash, here it is D double dash. Then this is how you will be able to get the answer. Then here Y1, just come out of this zone previous, and this is how you will be able to write the answer. So here go to the text, you type answers, answer, then go to line, select this line and put on the ortho mode, switch on this, and then go to the text. So here the text, type this 53.13 percentage D, percentage D, then go to offset, take the distance as 7 then go to fillet between these two, then copy, select this, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this, and take nearest point on this. Then go to copy, switch off the ortho mode, copy this here, 5. So this is how you will be able to get the final answer. Now we will go for save, go to the appropriate drive, go to AutoCAD, go to lamina drawing, click on P117 and save it. Then finally you exit.